Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look the NEAR protocol because we go straight forward to the zone of interest. And you remember in my last video, I marked it by end of the month we can close, for example, the monthly fulfill. So this done and touch the $1.23. So yes, you can love it, you can hate it, but this zone almost always works perfectly well because this is a global accumulation zone for NEAR. And after that, this was a bounce from that zone when we started the trend, zone 23 October, and now it's a January zone 26, so almost 2.5 years. We drop it down again inside this block. Doesn't mean we have to skyrocket to the moon from this current prices or $1.23 immediately, of course not. Unfortunately, guys, the worst case scenario can be for NEAR if we consolidate, I don't know, here the June zone 23 and October zone 23. Hard to say. If, for example, we consolidate it here in the spring and the summer, this can be the pretty tough time, you know. After that, we can bounce at least to $5 again. Of course, now we saw the grayscale potential ETF can be launched, but I don't think so. It's gonna help at this current moment for NEAR protocol, right? So this actual highs, guys, definitely one day we're gonna come back and sweep it, so we can delete this one. The good news, guys, today I got alert. Finally, the money inflow on a 12th frame. The last video, if you watch it 9 days ago, Wednesday 21, you know, I posted the video, so I'm waiting the money inflow on 12th frame, at least on 12th frame into NEAR protocol, and today's happening, so I guess it's confirmed. So yes, finally guys, that's why I highly recommend you just add alerts and track it. So imagine 9 days you can do nothing and just wait. And only now just some money inflow on the 12 frames from the whales, they start accumulating. On the daily, still not. And I repeat again, my idea is buy the NEAR protocol, maybe some amount of money for the spot, even the spot if we drop to 75. And maybe I will try speculate with the futures $1.23, 75 in this area, of course, based on intraday setup. So now I don't see any setup. If the NEAR will not drop to this area, I will be more than happy and skip this token for the next run. The bullish targets, guys, still in place. Monthly gaps sooner or later. Also, if you even have that maxi extra super bearish trader now, believe it or not, but one day we're gonna come back and close the monthly fulfill. We'll leave it here in $3.57 and $4.25. Not $4.90 still in play is 0.5 low by fee because this fee is still in play and will be relevant, I guess, for the next few years. So we can track it, you know, use one simple fee and track it. That's why, guys, more than okay to see the NEAR drop it here, maybe even the close the weekly gap, this one $1.06. So yes, at a fulfill of a weekly gap, maybe I will touch the NEAR. The some money inflow was here 1, 2, 3 weeks in December. Approximately it's $1.40, $1.50 price. Now it's $1.32. So it would be good to see the NEAR at $1. And after that, some money inflow on a weekly time frame. So yes, money inflow on 12 time frame, trigger it. Let's play with the bigger time frame and let's wait the money inflow on the weekly. So like one more confirmation, so the whales start accumulate for long term. All right, so we can close this one. Let's take a look at the ADZ direction. This is around the accumulation zone, so we can form that urgency, guys. Yes, so also add alerts and track it. Direction step by step, some accumulation by whales. Weekly time frame, some accumulation since December 15. It's good. It's usually bullish. 12 time frame also we're in accumulation and accumulation. But the worst case scenario, guys, if we just go in a sideways for the next half year, for example. Unfortunately, we can't know the timing, but we can work with the zone of interest. That's why, guys, all targets relevant, just add alerts and track it. For example, also money inflow for DOT, AVAX, take profit signal for ICP, and a lot of many other signals triggered today. So, guys, this is the beauty of alerts. You add alerts to your favorite indicators, right, and track it. That's why you not waste the time in front of a monitor, and you accumulate only if we see some reasons, right? And so this is algorithmic reasons because of indicators data inside. All right, so this is a daily time frame. This is capitulation on the market mode. It's bullish. Weekly, it's bullish capitulation. 12 time frame, bullish. 4 hour time frame, even the 4 hour time frame, bullish. But guys, keep in mind, the price delivery can surprise you, and we can drop 6%, 76. Of course, it's not that scary, right? But it's possible. Now BTC traded 82,700. I guess BTC can drop also lower if we will crash lower, guys. Be ready also to see that this one. I don't think so. Of course, we're going to drop that low, 43% from current prices. But at 75, I will be ready to buy the near for the spot position. Otherwise, it's only the futures. Money power, we just track it. Let's, even on a 4 time frame, some speculate. Trade on, guys. Take a look. This is a 4 time frame buys. 12 time frame, here was a sell, take profit, buy, bounce, drop. I would like to see another signal to buy. Daily time frame, still, guys, that's a problem. That's a problem. We still not see the signal take profit from the sell. So let's add alert. Yes, you know, sometimes even I once believe I need to wait the take profit or some buy signal confirmation because I want to buy now. It looks cheap, right? So it looks like a great time to buy the near. But this cycle teach me sometimes I need to reduce my emotion, right? My wishes, and just follow the algorithm. Because the data inside count, I guess, without emotion and count better than me. So that's why I add alerts. And here, once again, buy line, guys, on a near protocol is $1.20. Yes, it's sad, but it's fact at this current moment. 12 time frame, even worse. It's $1.07. I'm waiting also here the alert for the buy line. So this alert relevant. So I'm waiting. That's why at $1.05, maybe I will touch the near for the futures. At 75, I will maybe touch the near for the spot. Like you can see, the lines are dynamic, and on the weekly time frame, we underrated. That's why last time it happened here in September, somewhere too, we dump it here. So for example, October, somewhere too, and we reached the zone of accumulation. Of course, this was the first time. Now we just come back to this zone. So I guess we drop $1.06 would be good to test buy line and rebound from $1.06 if you will be ready to buy it. $1.06 at $1.12, $1.15, just withdraw initial deposit, forget about a near, and right to the moon with this token. If this token go to zero, you will lose nothing. So guys, all targets relevant, all alerts I added. If you would like to add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me the DM. Link will be under the description below. Right, please send a comment what you think about a near. Subscribe channel, and don't forget Joe Matecom Show. See you next time, guys.